Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use a sheet summary report on a dashboard here in Smartsheet. Okay, as you can see here, I have a sheet summary report. Okay, let's say, for example, you have your dashboard. So I'm just going to click on the dashboard. Now, what we'll do is just click on at the top right, we have this pencil icon to edit the dashboard. Okay, click on it, and then just got to click on the plus sign and add in report. Okay. As you can see, it says display a report on the dashboard with optional Gantt view. Okay, so just click on it. Now what we'll do is just go and click on add report. There you go. Now just go ahead and find the specific report. As you can see, it says sheet summary report. I'm going to go ahead and find that in my workspace. And here I have it. There you go. Head on OK. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, here you have your sheet summary report. You can now go ahead and customize the maximum number of rows to display. You can remove formatting, hide Gantt, collapse group report, and change the title, widget behavior, and the viewer mode. All right. And then once that's done, just tap away, close this one, click on it, move it wherever you want, and you're good to go. Don't forget to hit on save. That is how you use sheet summary report on the dashboard here in Smartsheet. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.